Hi, this is Jerry from IPT 286, and I'm going to introduce you to Pinterest. Go to pinterest.com, and on the home page you can join Pinterest. Pinterest is a free service, so click on Join Pinterest. You can join either using your Facebook account, your Twitter account, or you can sign up with an email address. Let's click on Sign Up with an Email Address. Let's choose a username. I'm going to choose IPT286. I have a IPT286 testing email address. Let me sign in with that and give myself a name. And then say create an account. I can upload a photo if I want. I don't particularly want to right now. I'll create an account. When you create an account, the very first thing that happens is Pinterest wants to begin to personalize your experience, and they do that by having you click a few things you like. So you can't jump past this stage, but as soon as you have clicked 5 things that you like, then you can move on. So let's choose 5 things. I think that kitchen is nice. I like gardening. Can't pass up some treats there. Let's see. I like Anne Frank, and I think that car's kind of nice. Once you've chosen 5, they'll fill in down here, and that's when the Continue button shows up, and you can click Continue. Now that brings up all of this is being populated based on what I initially clicked as things that I like. Okay, and it has me logged in here, and under the first tab there where it has my name, I can invite friends, find friends. Then it has categories: boards, pins, and likes, and then of course there's your settings and your logout. We'll come back to boards in a minute. Under About, you can add a Pin It button to your browser, and that will make it so that whatever site you are visiting, you can click Pin It, and it will jump that over to your Pinterest boards. And then that's the Add Plus button. We'll talk about that in a different video. Let's go to Boards. I don't have any boards right now, but you can create multiple boards based on interests. For example, I'm going to create a board called Education, and if I click Create Board, I don't have anything pinned to that board currently. I can click Edit, and I can give a description to that board, all things I love about education and so forth. You can choose a category here, and I would choose Education as my category, and that helps for people searching and helps kind of guide you a little. Who can add a pin? Currently I'm the only one that can pin things to that board, but you can add other pinners. So if you're working on a group project, you can add several people that can pin, and you can all pin to that same board and then together work with that board. Then you can save your settings. Now it lets me edit my board if I want, or I can go back here to Boards, and that will bring me back to where I can create another board. And you can have multiple boards so that you can work on different projects or pin things into different categories. That's all up to you. But once you do that and you begin to pin things, then you can go to your boards and you can click on that board, and it would say Education, and then it would begin to pin all sorts of things and fill out this board. And that's kind of the view we were seeing back at the beginning when we were looking at the basic board. I'll click on Pinterest to bring us back to the front, and these are all the different things that I like, and it will show you kind of everything at once, or you can go again to just the different boards and look at things specifically on those boards. And that's just a very quick introduction to Pinterest, and we can learn more later.